So, as you can see, friends, that this was designed by me. This is actually the second design in Zigby. Sorry, the same design, but the second application. At first, I had made the electric Zigby, which, as you all of you know, that after my publishing it in February 2016, the at the some makers in Belgium, they copied the idea what I feel, from the kind of information they have taken both from my website as well as my design. And so seeing all that, I already had in mind to make this acoustic Sigby from long back, but until I was satisfied with the proportions of the electric Sigby, I would obviously wait for getting the my experiments right and all. But because of this kind of copying at the Belgians front, I had to then accelerate my thing about the acoustic Segway, and this is what I find. So I'll slowly start scrolling down. By now, you might have read whatever the post says, and now look at the photos. First of all, see that this Javed H. Sitar maker, also known as Javed Shikalgar. Essentially, after I exposed this, from this name, he changed it to Javed Shikalgar. It's the same person. And see how many 17 people he has tagged. Most of them, I think, they all play sitar, or either they're aficionados, or they're even serious sitar players and all. There is this Karsten VK, or whatever is how, if that is how it's pronounced. There are so many others also, all playing Rudravina and sitar and surbar, and that whole bunch. I don't know most other people here, but you guys might have noticed such people playing sitar and all. So this was on again, yet again, on his profile. Okay, just make a note of all these photos that you can see. Okay. Now, what does one customer ask? कीमत कितनी है? This Atik Sheikh, whoever it is. Then Javid Bhai says 20, meaning 20,000. Most, that is our general understanding in this thing, in our profession. Now compare these photos, okay, with what this same Javed sitar maker, he has sent me on WhatsApp, because he was contacted to polish my acoustic Sigwi from this other person that you can see in the photo is holding, Mr. Imtiaz. This is whom I had directly contacted first for making the thing. So I am his client, and Javed Bhai is basically contracted by Imtiaz to do the polish. So all these photos which you know are shared on his public profile are the same photos that he has sent me on WhatsApp. And then he says original made by Imtiaz Sitar Maker. Well, it's made by Imtiaz Sitar Maker, but original in which sense? Whose design? Whose concept? And whose order? And who is paying for it? So these are some questions that the whole country needs to ask. So when he wrote like this, कीमत कितनी है 20, so I had to say, the Polish guy is talking about my rates, of the rates of my acoustic Sigwi. It's not even a market instrument. It's just a personal project, and this is the way it's treated. And then I immediately compared one photo of his from WhatsApp and one photo from his of that Facebook post. I mean, whatever photos on the Facebook post, the same thing I got it on WhatsApp, so I just compared to him, compared with him the photos. See, 114 people have reacted to this post. So just imagine where all it's going. Okay, this is 5 years back. I had pointed out 26th August, exactly 5 years back today. This was in 2016. So I had then, very clearly. Why is it showing this only as relevant comments? All comments. Okay, this is from my personal profile. Yeah, yeah. So I had made. So that's when, as you can see, he has changed the profile name to Javed Chikalgar. And I just told him whatever I had to. Firstly, who gave you permission? Secondly, you have named my instrument differently. And thirdly, you have no right to talk about the price of my instrument, as the deal is between the maker and his client, that is Imtiaz and me. And after all this, I mean, this is after another reality which you must know. Imtiaz Bhai is somebody with whom I had made that first prototype Sigvi. I was very grateful that he took that pain and effort to make it. I have spent, uh, a number of days actually going back and forth between Miraj and Pune, like temporarily staying at a friend's place in Pune and then, taking the local bus going to Miraj or coming back by the passenger train or whatever, all those things. Okay. So I have done like this. This is back when I was 25, almost 10, 11 years back story I'm talking about. And after all that, so that was a prototype. So after practicing on it and all, I realized I needed some changes and all that. So after about 5 years, 6 years in 2016, I approached him once again saying that now I have learned a little more on what we can improve on this. So again he agreed to do. So again we carried out this, and this time in 2016, because I also had certain means in my life that I was known to uh, shop here in Bombay, which was selling instruments, and they uh, entrusted me to test new sitars coming and all that. And they said that because I am connected to sitar makers, they said we leave it to you only. Do suggest some sitar maker who can supply a regular stock of sitars. So then I immediately contacted Imtiaz Bhai, because closest to Bombay from Miraj is closer than Kolkata or Delhi or any other place. And moreover, since I spent that time personally with him as he was making my Sigwi, I can see his skills at work, at the same time his dedication, and he has been straightforward with me. I don't blame him. So the thing is that all that, and then I have myself been a student of carpentry, so I even appreciate his skills with carpentry. So considering all this, I think by recommending him to sell sitars in this shop in Bombay, I did a huge favor. How many lakhs of rupees of business he must have made out of it, purely based on the recommendation. And I was only testing his instruments and all that. So we had an integrity that okay, whatever his products come and all, it's not criticized by a third person or something. Like, we have controlled the flow in that sense. We have made business. And for me, there was no personal advantage in all this. I did it thinking that okay, this is in service for music and all. I was anyway being paid by for testing the instruments and all that. So there was no question of any commission for me or anything on this. So I was happy to do this, and I was happy to see that somebody who was working hard all the way in as far as in Miraj is making some profit here in coming and selling his instruments in Bombay. This was a healthy, uh, mindset which I felt one should have. There is no question of religion in this. There is no question of any other factor that why I would have a certain preference or I wouldn't have a certain preference. I did it purely based uh, on my experience earlier of having spent time in seeing how he has made my Sigwi, and in that process I have also happened to see his other sitas that he used to make there, and he used to tell me, Sombhai, try this out, see how you feel and all that. So it's not, you can understand, it's not some kind of fake work that somebody else has done a work and he has put his label on it. It's not that. With my own eyes I have witnessed this man making my instrument. So this is my rapport with the person, with Imtiaz, as the person who is made my instrument. And then other people try to take advantage like this. So this is not right. And when the Sigwi was ready and I showed it to many people here, uh, including some leading shops, and they all exclaimed, "This is an evolution to sitar." They have been selling sitars all their life, day in day out, for years, for decades. They were not fools to react like this and tell me, "Oh, this is some significant improvement and a way forward in sitar." So I want the public to see all this and please understand and please support, because I am not begging for support, but I mean, this is how much I can do. I can take out so many proofs. But why is it that everybody is just keeping quiet? What is the reason? Am I affiliated to any group? Am I affiliated to any party? I don't have any politics on my mind. I don't spoil anybody else's opportunities, although they might spoil my opportunities. So, what is the reason that the public is keeping so quiet? Don't just say that you did not understand. I know that sitar is not everybody's cup of tea and it's not easy to understand. But step by step, I have shown you all the proofs, right? I have shown you all this the way they have copied. So after all this, also you want to keep quiet? For what reason? Cultural department should take this up. It's sitar is a cultural instrument. It's a cultural pride. It rates probably, you know, way on top. I'm not saying that other instruments are not important, but I'm saying that the grandeur and the majestic thing about a sitar that is associated with our culture dates all the way back to our independence as far as our republic is concerned, and dates all the way back to you know so many thousands of years, with whatever, I mean, it's associated with this land. There is no other land that created sitar nation, I mean. So I think this much we can do for our cultural identity. Please speak up. Thank you.